The three men were visibly upset by the decision. Tears even sprung from the eyes of one of the accused. In his ruling on Friday, Justice Kenneth Benjamin said public order has to be preserved and the defendants have to be protected. This was the basis for his decision to refuse bail for Jonathan Ninja Dan St. Rose, Lydel Blasse, and Marvin Nelson. St. Rose is represented by Lon Theophilus, Lydel Blasse by Stanley Felix, and Andy George is serving as counsel for Marvin Nelson. On Thursday, the attorneys put their case for bail forward. It was built on the fact that the state's lone witness is in the United States and the safety of the defendants is not a cause for concern. Justice Kenneth Benjamin agreed with the first argument. He said on Friday that the witness is no longer in St. Lucia and therefore this argument has no more merit. But the judge did not agree on the issue of safety. He stressed on the fact that the prosecution alluded to threats against the three, arguments that the defense failed to address during the bail hearing. But the attorney for St. Rose, Lon Theophilus, says the prosecution did not refer to any renewed incidents or threats in its affidavit. Theophilus says while he respects the judge's decision, a major part of it focused on threats which the prosecution failed to show were renewed.
I guess all things you must at all times respect the decision of the judge. But in this instance, the judge's decision turned on to an instance of threats. But the affidavit of the prosecution in this case, in this instance, did not refer to any renewed instance of threats. So then the defense did not think it was necessary to address that. Realistically, no evidence was led by them so as to substantiate any form of renewed threat to my client. So we were somewhat taken by surprise in regard to this.
The three men are expected back in court on September 17th for a sufficiency hearing. This will determine if there is enough evidence against them to go to trial. Alison Kentish, HTS News, Channel 4.